is so much more to see. You think it's a fairy tale, but it's rather a true common story of the girl that you see in the mirror every day. Oh, how I long to try on those feet that will take me places above my prison of water. You can't see me, I'm under the sea.